Most famous but forgotten dessert from the 70s and 80s. Start by peeling 3 ripe bananas. Next, cut them into round slices, just like I did. Next, transfer them to a large bowl and mash them very well until a smooth mixture forms. This is the right consistency. Stop mashing and set aside. Now add 300 grams of cornstarch biscuits in a food processor and crush them until crumbly. When that happens, transfer these biscuit crumbs to the mashed bananas and mix all the ingredients until combined. If you can't mix with a spoon, do it by hand, just like this. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. This is the right consistency. Get a portion of this mixture in your hands and shape it into a ball, just like this. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Finish by coating the balls in grated coconut or cocoa powder. You can also coat them in chocolate sprinkles, depending on your preference. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now, I'll head back to the comment section and will continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.